everyone, let's discuss about CSS functions. So first one is calc function. The calc functions allows us to perform calculations to determine property values, and it can be used with different units like pixels, percentages, EM units, REM, etc. Okay. So now we will discuss it with example. Let's create a div first. Okay, and this div let's say should contain around 200 words. So lorem 200. Now it has generated 200 words. Now we will give the styling to it. Let's give internal style div, and here let's give width. Now we will use calc function. Okay, and here 100%. This is the total width of our viewport and minus 200 pixels. So this is the function to give width. So this will set the width of the div to 100% minus 200 pixels. So now let's move to the web page. So here you can see this width is total width, that is 100% minus 200 pixels. Okay. So this is the use of calc functions. If we use 200 instead of 200, if we make it 500, then let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is 100% means total width minus 500 pixels. So it has deducted minus 500 pixels from the right side. So the next function is min function. So the min function takes multiple values and returns the smallest one. And it is helpful when we want to ensure an element does not exceed a certain size. Let's make it. Okay. Min 50%, comma 500 pixels, or let's say 100 pixels. Okay. So let's move to the browser. So as we can see, it has taken 100 pixels because it will compare 50% of total width, okay, and 100 pixels. So whichever is smaller, it will take that width. So from 50% and 100 pixels, 100 pixel is smaller, so it is taking 100 pixels here. This is the min function. And coming to max function. So the max function is the opposite of min, and it returns the largest value from a set of provided values. So here if we use max, so from these two values 50% is greater than 100 pixels. So it will take 50% of the width. So here as you can see, it has taken 50% of the width. Now if we use here 800 pixels, so now 800 pixels is greater than 50%. Okay, so it should take 800 pixels width. So as you can say, div is 800 pixels. Because let's make it 100%. So as you can see, 100, it is taking full width. So it will take 100% because obviously 100% is maximum. So from here we can see 1536 is the total width of the viewport. So it is taking 100%. So now let's check where function. So the where functions allows us to use custom properties or CSS variables, and it makes it easy to reuse values throughout our CSS, and it helps in maintaining consistency. So let's see how we can use where function. Okay, so here use root, main color, main. This is the variable name which we have created, and let's say orange. Okay, variable name is orange. Now let's style the div. Let's give the properties to styling properties to div element color, and here we will use this variable main color. Okay, so now let's move to browser. So as we can see, it has set the text color of the div to the value of the variable main color, which is orange. So these functions are used to create more dynamic and flexible CSS styles. Okay, here you can see this is the variable main color, and we are using this main color in the where function. Okay, so these are the CSS functions.